Exact 100 positive cases were reported in Goa on 10 July 2020. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 10 July 2020, 100 new positive cases were reported in Goa. 74 people recovered. Total confirmed cases in the states are 2,251. Active cases in the state stands at 895. Recovered cases stands at 1,347. Total 9 deaths are reported till 10 July 2020. Out of 4,500 samples tested, 1,715 are negative, 100 are positive, 2,685 reports awaited. At present, patient in isolation wards are 24. At present, people quarantined in various residences, hotels are 75 as per media bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services on 10 July 2020. Breakup of total 895 active positive cases are as follows. Travelled by road, train, flight 107, Mangur Hill 66, Link to Mangur Hill 299, Kurtorem 11, Margao 12, Kwapam 15, Lutolem 30, Indiranagar Chimbal 26, Navelim 3, Ganganagar Mapsa 7, Sakre 34, Kamrabad Tonka 7, Kankana 8, Fatodda 4, Gurka Shankarwadi 4, Raya 2, Kundaim 1, Verna 8, Motidongar 13, Ponda 35, Valpai 12, Marcel 5, Uzgao 8, Bicholim 10, Shiroda 14, Pernem 12, Pilar 4, Goavela 9, Betki 35, Sangam 4, Kortalim 6, Kurchorim 1, Mandur 16, Porvorim 4, Dharbandora 16, Kunkolim 10, Vadem Vasco 1, Kandolim 2, Kolim Mapsa 3, Karambolim 3, Parra Mapsa 2, Marsaim 3, Nerul 7, Pernaulim 2, isolated case in Nuam 1, isolated case in Agasaim 1, isolated case in Karanzalem 1, isolated case in Mardol 1, isolated case in Mazorta 1, isolated case in Thivim 1, isolated case in Kujira Santa Cruz 1, isolated case in Petalbatim 1, isolated case in Bambolim 1, isolated case in Kolim 1, isolated case in Chinchinim 1, isolated case in Kumbarsua 1, isolated case in Kolwa 1, isolated case in Karaswada 1. Cases in major location are as follows. Sada 88, Baina 91, Kurtorim 32, New Wadam 78, Chimbal 60, Zuarinagar 118, Mollam 22, Karewada 52, Bali 27. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.